to Lesson 4, Opening Up Myself to Others. Opening up also helps you express yourself, cope with stress, and grow as a person. However, opening up also involves some risks, such as being misunderstood, rejected, and judged. Therefore, you need to be careful about who you open up to, how much you share, and when you do it. Let's learn how to effectively and appropriately open up ourselves to others. Welcome to Module 1, Lesson 4. Our objectives for today's class are integrate future expressions, particularly will and going to, in delivering the pechacha. Deliver a lightning talk, which is the pechacha, about yourself, following the Johari window framework. Today, we're gonna talk about the difference between will and going to and how to integrate them for your speech presentation. When delivering a self-introduction speech, you can use future expressions such as will and going to talk about future plans or intentions. The difference between will and going to is mainly related to the degree of certainty or planning involved in the future action or event. Will is typically used for unexpected or unplanned future events and predictions based on personal feelings or experiences. In everyday language, will is commonly used for making promises, giving commands, and expressing strong certainty. On the other hand, going to is employed for planned events and predictions based on real evidence. Going to is more suitable for expressing future intentions or plans that have been decided beforehand. Understanding the nuances between these two forms is crucial for effective communication in English. Now, let's look at the examples of will and going to placed side by side. You use will for decisions at the moment of speaking. For example, I will open up to my best friend about my problems. You use going to for decisions before the moment of speaking. For example, I am going to join a support group for people who have similar issues as me. You use will for predictions based on opinions, feelings, or experiences. Example, he will not disclose to his parents about his feelings. He is afraid that they will judge him or get angry. You use going to for predictions based on evidence present at the moment of speaking. For example, she's going to divulge to her therapist about her trauma. She knows that she is getting close to healing. Will can also be expressed for promises, requests, refusals, and offers. Now, let's try this exercise. Decide whether it is will or going to. I blank open up to my teacher about my difficulties with math. Maybe he can help me improve my skills. And the answer is will. Will is used to express a decision or intention to do something in the future. The speaker has made a rapid decision to open up to his teacher about his math difficulties. So it's a sad experience. Number 2, she blank relayed to her boyfriend about her past. She trusts him and wants him to know everything about her. The answer is Going to. In this sentence, going to is used to indicate a planned or intended future action. The speaker has a specific plan to relay information about her past to her boyfriend. Number 3, he blank not tell his boss about his dissatisfaction with his job. He's afraid that he will lose his position or get a bad reputation. So it's experience. The answer is will. Will is used to express a decision or intention made at the moment of speaking, as in this case where he decides not to inform his boss due to fear of negative consequences. So it's a feeling or experience. Let's proceed to 4 and 5. Number 4, they blank inform their parents about their plans to get married. They hope that they will support their decision and be happy for them. The answer is going to. It is used to show an intention or plan for the future. The individuals have a clear intention of informing their parents about the upcoming marriage plan. Finally, number 5, you blank divulge to me about your dreams and goals. I am your friend and I want to encourage you and help you achieve them. The answer is going to, because this is a planned action or intention decided before the moment of speaking. In this context, it discusses that the speaker expects the listeners to share their dreams and goals as part of a planned interaction. For your post task, you will present a lightning talk, which is 30-second speech. What's a lightning talk? It is a brief and captivating presentation at a conference or similar event. It aims to spark interest in a topic by highlighting the key points in a short time. Lightning talks have various formats such as pechacha or ignite that set strict limits on the number of slides and also the timing. The term lightning talk was invented by Mark Jason Dominus in June 2000. Meanwhile, a pechacha is a storytelling format in which a presenter shows 20 slides with 20 seconds of commentary each. Each slide appears for 20 seconds while the presenter speaks. Architects Astrid Klein and Mark Ditham created this format in Tokyo in 2003 to promote their space and connect designers. It's now popular worldwide and used in many settings, from schools to businesses to parties. For this presentation, we shall reduce the number of slides and time allocated per speaker to ensure that everyone can present within the day. Instead of the traditional 20-20 format of pechacha, which equals actually to 6 minutes and 20 seconds, create your lightning talk in a concise 45 seconds MP4 format. This means 5 slides with 9 seconds of commentary per slide, making your presentation more concise and dynamic. Upload your video to your YouTube or your Google Drive accounts. Share the link with me, ensuring that I have access to view it. Listen for the instruction. Following the Johari framework, please introduce yourself, including your future plans for the next 5 to 10 years, using will and going to appropriately. This is your rubric. Finally, Let's wrap up. Will is used when referring to the future with certainty or recent, rapid, and opinion-based decision. Going to is used to refer to events that have been previously planned or are based on present evidence. A lightning talk is a brief and captivating presentation that highlights its key points in a short time. Pachacha is a storytelling format created by architects in Tokyo in 2003, used in various settings to promote spaces and connect designers. Reflect this. What did I learn about myself through the process of creating this self-introduction speech? How can the Johari window framework be useful in better understanding ourselves and our interactions with others? Delve deeper into these topics. Explore the complete module available on Global English Competitiveness ebook for B2 learners. Once more, I am Dr. Arlene Salve Opina, your guide to Module 1, Lesson 4. It has been a pleasure sharing this educational voyage with you. I look forward to seeing you on our next episode in Module 2, Dreams and Passions. All the best in your continued learning journey.